I'm super excited. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's pizza day, people. So, what does that mean? It's not gonna be greasy, because this is a healthy meal. At least I think it's healthy. Well, we'll see. But I'm gonna do it with pita. Oh yeah, if you own some pita in your pantry, you can make some pizza. And then you can do it with tomato sauce, because tomato sauce is actually pretty healthy. But I'm gonna do it with some cashew sauce. I'm super excited about this, super excited. So let's get started. Pizza. Okay, if you have flatbread, bam, pita, anything you want, that's how you do it. It's super easy, super quick. I smell everything and this smells delicious. All right, so now before I take a taste of this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the little bell notification, like and comment on the videos. I would love your suggestions on anything that you want me to try to make. Remember, I can do it for you, I can try it for you, and I can tell you if it came out good or bad. Okay, so now let's get to this. Here we go. Let's try.
Now let's take it to the judges. Is it good or is it bad?
This is really, really, really good. I can't believe that this came out of my kitchen. Oh my God. It tastes like, you know what? It tastes more like mod pizza or blaze pizza if you had any of those. So good. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you so much for reaching this part of the channel. If you want to watch more content, you can click on there right there. Yeah, go right ahead. I see you doing it. I see you doing it. Oh, and you can also press the little subscribe button.